5 top uses for Facebook groups in business. Facebook groups are immensely useful for businesses, and not just in the obvious way you probably already expect. In fact, Facebook groups have so many amazing applications that just about every business should have one. In this presentation, we'll look at 5 ways businesses use these groups and why you should too. 1. Exclusive Members Club. One of the most common ways to see a Facebook group used is similar to the way a Facebook page is used. This is the way for your fans and customers to follow your brand and get more from you. As they do, you'll be given a way to contact them and promote products and services for profit. Win-win! Facebook groups work just the same, but are a little more exclusive and private. While they aren't as easy to promote, they encourage the creation of authentic communities, which is amazing for increasing engagement. 2. Go-to-market strategy. A group can essentially run itself once you have enough members and a few moderators. Therefore, you might choose to create a few groups within your niche, leave them to flourish over time, and then have them for marketing once you need them. 3. Internal business management. You can use a group as an entirely internal tool. While Facebook actually makes a separate product for this, called Workspace, groups provide a perfectly functional way for a company to keep track of what a certain department is doing, or to discuss a given project. 4. Online courses. You'll have the option to change your Facebook group's type if you so wish. Unfortunately, most of these types are not that applicable to businesses. The one that is, though, is social learning. This lets you post lessons which your followers can then take. This is a brilliant way to create a service or product that you can then sell through other platforms. 5. Market research. Finally, you can use your Facebook group to conduct market research and learn more about your audience and the types of content and products they want to see from you. You could ask how they found your brand, for instance, and then pour more investment into that marketing strategy. Or you could ask them what the most they would spend on X product might be. If they are representative of your larger customer base, then this information can prove invaluable.